Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fauzan Akbar with NIM 102400077. Today I want to present my PowerPoint about software and operating system and hardware. Let's talk about the present. Introducing to software. What is software? Software is a collection of program, instruction, and data used to operate computer and perform specific tasks. Unlike hardware, software is not a physical component but a set of logical commands. It allows users to interact with the computer, automate tasks, and manage digital results. Important. Enable functionality of hardware, support daily activity from word processing to internet browsing. Essential for both personal and professional computing environment. Classification of software. System software. Control and manage computer hardware. Example, operating system like Windows, Linux, macOS, utility program, driver, running the background and enable application software to function. 2. Application software. Designed for end user to perform specific tasks. Example, productivity like Microsoft Word, Excel, web, Google Chrome, Firefox, media, VLC Media Player, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, programming software. 3. Programming software. Tools for developer to create, test, and maintain another software. Example, text editor like VS Code, Sublime Text, compiler, JCC, Java compiler. Debuggers and ideas like Eclipse, Intelligence, IDEA. Next, what is an operating system? Definition: system software that acts as an immediate intermediary between user and computer hardware. Provide an environment for user and application program to execute efficiently. Why it's important? Every computing device, PC, smartphone, smartwatch, need an operating system to operate. Without an operating system, computer are unusable to general user. Example of operating system: desktop or laptop, Windows, macOS, Linux, mobile, Android, iOS, server, Ubuntu server, RTOS, FreeRTOS. RTOS is like real-time operating system. Function of an operating system: process management, manage process in a system, task being executed, allocate CPU time, handle multitasking. Memory management, allocate RAM to application and processing. Track memory use and prevent memory leak. File system management, organize data into file and directory. Control reading, writing, and permission. Device management, interface with hardware device through driver control input or output device like keyboard or printer. User interface or UI. provide a mean for user interaction, CLI, or command line interface like Linux Shell. GUI, graphical user interface like Windows desktop. Type of operating system. Batch operating system. Processing job in a batch with little or no interaction. Used in early computing environments. Time-sharing operating system. Multiple users share system resources simultaneously. Fast switching between users make it seem concurrent. Real-time operating system or RTOS. Immediate response to input. User in a theoretical system like air traffic control or robotics. Distributed operating system. Managed a group of computers as one system. Improve performance and resource sharing. Embedded operating system. Built into specialist hardware like microwave oven, smart TV. Lightweight, optimized for specific tests. Comparison of popular operating system. Operating system Windows. Platform choice PC or laptop. Stretch, user-friendly, wide app support. Use case, business or education. macOS, only Apple device. High performance, seamless integration with the mobile. Creative, professional, and industry. Linux, PC, and server. Open source, secure, and customizable. Use case for developer system admin. Android for smartphone. Straight, open source, customizable, Google service. Use case mobile user. OIS, Apple Mobile, stable, secure, optimized for hardware. iPhone or iPad user. Software and operating system work together. The operating system as a platform for software. The operating system provide necessary service and API for application to function. It's managed resources like memory, CPU, storage, and I/O device. Example of interaction: when you open a browser, the operating system allocates memory, open a file for history, and use driver to display the window. Application requests results from the operating system, which is ensure efficient and safe sharing. Without an operating system, application software would need to handle all hardware interactive manually. System would be unstable, infected, and hard to use. Conclusion: software is essential for making hardware useful. Operating systems are the backbone of modern computer. Understanding how software and operating system work together help you troubleshoot problem, optimize system performance, choose the right tool for your needs. Final thought: the more you understand your system software, the more efficiently you can use technology in any field. Okay, that's for topic 1. We can go to topic 2. Okay, For topic 2, I present you hardware. Okay, let's talk about the hardware. Introducing to hardware. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical component of a technological device, such as computer, smartphone, or another electronic equipment. This component include everything you can touch and see, like the processor, memory, screen, keyboard, and input or output device. In the context of computer, hardware serves as a physical platform on which software operated. Without hardware, software cannot function as hardware is the tool that executes the command given by software. Conversely, without software, hardware would merely be a collection of parts with no purpose. Everyday example of hardware include the keyboard, monitor, hard drive, and motherboard with any computer. Next, how many parts are there in hardware? Hardware can generally be divided into several categories based on their function and purpose. Below are the main category of hardware. 1. Input device. 2. Output device. 3. Processing device. 4. Storage device. 5. Communication device. Okay, next. Input device. Input device are hardware used to input data or command into a computer. Example, keyboard. Used to type text to give command via keyboard. 2. Mouse. Move the pointer on the screen like this and allow click to select or open file. Scanner. Convert physical document or image into digital format. Microphone. Input audio into the computer, such as for recording like this for now or voice command. Next, output device. Output device are hardware that deliver the result of processing data. Example, monitor. Display visual output such as text, image, and video. Can be LCD, LED, or OLED. Like this now. This is a monitor. You can see text, image, and presentation. Printer. Convert digital document into physical format. Speaker. Output sound generated by the computer, such as music or notification. If you play this video, you can see the speaker from your laptop or your PC. Projector. Projector the computer display onto a large surface often used in presentation. Okay, next. Processing device. This device processing data and execute computer interactive. Example, CPU. Central Processing Unit. The brain of the computer that performs calculation and logical operating. If your computer don't have CPU, your computer cannot running because the CPU is the brain. CPU, Graphic Processing Unit, processes graphical data often used for video rendering or gaming. Motherboard, the main circuit board connecting the CPU, memory, and other component in. Okay, next. Storage device. Storage devices are used to save data, either temporarily or permanently. Example, hard disk drive or HDD. Large capacity storage but slower than SSD. Solid state drive or SSD. Faster faster storage with no moving part. Flash drive, portable, small storage often used for file transfer. RAM, or random access memory. Temporary memory used by the computer while processing data. Communication device. Communication device allow computer to interact with network or another device. Example, modem. Connects a computer to the internet via telephone lines. Network interface card, NIC. A card that enable a computer to connect to a local network or line. Router manage and distribute network connect to the multiple device. Wi-Fi adapter add wireless capability to desktop or laptop. Conclusion: hardware is the backbone of any computer system. It makes computing physically possible. Each type of hardware has a specific role, but they all work together to create a functional system. Understanding computer hardware help user with trouble issue, slow PC, no internet, upgrading component for better performance, adding another RAM or another SSD, building or customing their own system for gaming or work. Together with software, hardware allow computer to serve as powerful tools in education, business, entertainment, and more. Okay, that's all from me for the presentation about software and operating system and hardware. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.